Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruising Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, 1971 Toyota Land Cruiser. This is an FJ40. Has a 3.9 liter F1 155 engine. Restored to original back in 2011. New paint, new seats, fresh, what we believe, and the numbers at least dictate to believe that perhaps the original engine by date codes. 1,600 miles since the engine rebuild. Very well taken care of. All kinds of new stuff besides the seats and front and back. Power steering was added. The 3 on the tree was switched to 3 on the floor with the floor shifter. OEM bumpers were added and clear coated for longevity. We do have the soft top and the soft doors as well. This top does come off if you want to do that. Very easy to drive. Make sure you hang out at the end of this video. I have some stills of the interior as well as the undercarriage and some engine pics just to give you a little bit more detail. Those are fold down seats for easy access to the rear end. Those are also fold up seats in the back, easily latched for equipment, persons, or things. It is a 4x4. It is a gorgeous ride. Tons and tons of money put into this, and it is ready for the road right now. Make sure you go to our website at cruisingclassicsinc.com. Check out the detailed pictures and the detailed description of this Toyota Land Cruiser. Or give us a call here at Cruising Classics. We'll be glad to help you out in any way that we can. Very, very cool, classic, iconic Toyota truck. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruising Classics.